보면 그래도 잡지 잡아.
What is up?
So we got our McDonald's order, about 2 hours and something-ish until we board. Yeah, what's up, man? You excited? You excited? Yeah, man.
I guess.
Narita Airport is just gonna be this, but 100 times better, you know? Your boy got the classic bacon and egg muffin. And yeah, no, that's it, man. Oh shit. Oh my god. Nom. Looking at the demonstration of Jeffrey trying to poke this piece of pancake voraciously. Should I say furiously? Let's give a demonstration.
I'm trying.
You know what? Give me an A-star for that. That's an A-star right there. The 99.95 A-star cut right there.
I'm gonna be honest.
Let's go again. What about his UCAT score, huh? This is his UCAT score. Oh!
Oh, I might have just fumbled.
Oh! That's looking like a 29-30 for me right there.
When you do is just not play like living yourself.
What's up? Yeah, we gotta like act natural in front of the camera. I like Donald. Donald when he sees the camera, he's like,
Yo. Me personally, nah, I've got a team to root for now.
Sorry, Donald.
For Heat, just because, you know.
we're going to gate 16.
Other team.
8?
No, I need a team. My God.
We're taking the shuttle. Let's go.
Stay to move my cars.
We're in the hype train. Jeff got that fresh fade, you feel me? Got that fresh fade. 8K!
I'm not gonna get over the fact that they're trying to sell me a USB-C cable for $45.
That's good.
Racking our brains, trying to think of what name to put for the chat. What do we think? Yeah, dude, look at this clown. I've got my Art of War by Sun Tzu here, or Sun Tzu, to protect me from this turbulence. What is this? Wait, where's the quote? I can find the quote.
It's not a real word.
Oh, anyways, I was trying to find this word. Apparently coatee is a word. So is etat.
Hours later.
Let's go. We made it. We have made it. Oh yeah. Let's go.
We're like saving it, right?
But they like got on the plane.
We are in Japan. Let's go. We are going to take the train to the hotel, right? We'll update you later. We are having trouble getting our luggage down. It's okay, we made it though. We made it into Japan, Tokyo. First vending machine break. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What drink
The
are we
atmosphere
getting?
is really pretty. Also,
look at
it's
this
really
atmosphere,
loud.
man.
I've probably broken like half the customs already.
Are we getting social anxiety? Gosh. Classic first Japan experience. Okay, so it turns out that train we were trying to catch was a bus. So now we're at the bus stop. That was my bad. My bad. That's alright, we'll make it out alive. It's the streets of Tokyo. Here we are. Finally made it. Safe haven. Off we go. Let's go. Oh my god. Wait, help me get this through. Yeah. Okay. We are done. Let's see. Ooh. What do we got here? 2 beds here. Then we also got,
I don't know what this was, but
what is this called, like a tokonoma or something? Oh, we got our own washing machine. And shower. Hey, we got through the bus, we got through the train, we got through the plane. Hey, that rhymed. Cole got super excited about this toilet. And what is Zam? Oh my god. Okay, this is the last vlog before we're getting jumped. How are we feeling right before we're getting jumped? Like muscles are twitching, you know? Okay, the roadsmen are any second coming now. Alright, vending machine experience number 1.
Oh wait, how do you just press it?
Press it.
Huh?
Yep. And then you put the money in. Wait, yeah, just put the money in.
Just press it, put the money in, press it again.
Yeah.
Really find it.
Yeah, that's a logical
Press it again if it
scenario.
doesn't, like.
This is 10. This is 10 on it. This
I
is
think you load it up first and then you press.
100. Okay. I don't know.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at this logical problem solving.
How do I open this? Oh,
It's like a UCAT question, dude.
there's a lead.
Okay, next.
Get a coffee.
I guess watch it.
Not bad.
Let's get amino bio. This is amino.
Need those amino acids. You peel it open.
All right. We are joining up with the other half of the party.
Oh, do we show it when we buy something? Yeah. That's $50 price. We don't have to do anything about that. You're just like.
Sup, gang? Y'all made it. We made it. We made it.
I made it.
I slept for when the food came.
How's the sleep? How's the sleep?
I slept like every hour, dude. Just kept waking up.
Oh man, how's the flight though? No turbulence.
There's a whole lot of turbulence. You can't turbulencing every 1 hour.
But I'll tell you guys the.
This is the breakfast one. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's not bad. It's not bad.
Who's the other one?
Dude, I'll tell you guys the restaurant experience we had 30 minutes ago.
So we went to the izakaya across the road, right? Yeah. All the walls were like littered with Japanese characters. There was not an ounce of English in. There was one toilet. Oh, yeah, there was one toilet. Dude, and then they came in and then, like they got our order and stuff, and they're like, what? We just sat there, and he's like, oh no, and then we didn't know what to say. And I was like, misu, yeah, right. And then that was crazy. Like, there was this guy, right next to us, and he was actually chill. He was like communicating with us and trying to start a conversation. And then it was like very broken Japanese. We're like, kotoka no sosukyo no like jokoi, and he's like, yeah, like juhasai, you feel me? And then dude, oh my gosh, that was so stressful because they didn't speak an ounce of English.
I say what's this onigiri tech, bro?
What the hell is shot?
The onigiri tech is like. Okay, I got it. Dude, the seaweed is so crunchy. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's your initial thoughts on this Don?
He's just gonna go to the bank instead.
So fucking good.
It's better
so
to exchange
good.
at the bank.
Yeah.
So next is
I'm looking. There's a currency shop. I'm gonna look for like places.
I think my exchange rate was like what?